but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition, too many other places. Yeah, but the horns, they're blowing that sound, they're blowing way on down south. Way on down south, London town. Check it out, Guitar George. Now he knows all them fancy chords. Ain't just rhythm gonna make that guitar cry and make it sing. And an old guitar ain't just all he can afford. When he gets up under them colored lights, gonna play that today. Then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make that fancy scene. Got daytime job, you're doing quite alright, thank you very much. Do the honky tonk just like anything. Sitting up for a Friday night with the Sultans. Yeah, with the Sultans on swing. And a crowd of boys, they're just fooling around in the corner. Drunk and dressed, their baggies and their best King's Road.